Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SteelSeries keyboard to PC instant fix step by step clearly. Begin by locating your SteelSeries keyboard and your PC. Make sure your keyboard is powered off. Identify the type of connection your keyboard uses, USB or wireless. For a USB connection, take the USB cable from the keyboard. Insert the USB connector into an available port on your PC. For a wireless connection, locate the wireless receiver included with your keyboard. Plug the wireless receiver into an available USB port on your PC. If applicable, turn on your keyboard using the power switch. Your PC should automatically detect the keyboard. If it does not, check for any connectors or switches on the keyboard that may need to be adjusted. Wait for a moment as your PC installs the necessary drivers. Once the drivers are installed, test your keyboard by typing in a text application. If the keyboard still does not respond, check the battery level for wireless models. Replace the batteries if needed, then turn the keyboard back on. If issues persist, try connecting the keyboard to another USB port. In rare cases, restarting your PC may resolve any connection issues. After following these steps, your SteelSeries keyboard should be connected and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.